It's just me, Scottie McCLUE, and I thought I'll pop up and say dinky-doo to every single one of you. It's just coming up to 7:30. It's 7:29 on Tuesday. That's Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025. You can't beat that, can you? You can't say fairer than that, unless you can't pronounce your F's or your two H's. Come and join us, I tell you. There's lots of wonderful people joining us. All come and say hi. Tell me where you're watching from, and then I can give you a bit of a shout out, you see. Tremendous stuff, that. Absolutely. And we're also live on TikTok and the new YouTube channel. I tell you, there's the Unsilent Ma. What a great handle, the Unsilent Ma. We love it. Fantastic. If you've just joined us, a very warm welcome. You will have just joined us simply because we've just started and you're watching Scottie McClue, hashtag FLOTI, the first lord of the internet. Oh yes, no, I'm not just an athlete, you know, I tell you. And come and join us in the live chat on the YouTube as well. I think I'll say a nice good morning. I think that's a lovely way to start the day, don't you? Just say good morning to them all on the live chat. So there we are. That's fantastic, that is. Laura's joined us. I'm watching from Bolivia, says the Iron Silent. How amazing. We love you in Bolivia. Thank you. There's David saying hi. David dinky-doo, hi to you, I tell you. Tell us where you're watching from, guys, so I can shout you out. There we go, fantastic. And who else have we got here? Tom's just joined us. Royal Artillery 20, lovely. Josh, Be Yourself, Dylan. Be Yourself, Dylan, has just joined us as well. That's absolutely fantastic. Now, Tuesday morning, let me know what you're all up to. Nothing too personal. Just let me know what you're up to. Remember, it's just gone 7:30. So if you're going for the 7:30 bus, you've probably missed that. The rest of you, into the shower with you, I say, sitting listening to McClue. What a great way to start your day. Stephen's in Aberdeen. Aberdeen, Stephen, dinky-doo, I tell you. Laura Elliott's fantastic. You've followed us, Laura. Thank you so much. Very, very kind of you. There we are. Everybody get following. Everybody get tap, tap, tappity, tap, tappity, tappity, tap. We need to beat 41,000 likes. Is it doable? I tell you, if everybody goes crazy on the tap, tap, tappity, tappity, tap, we might just make it, I say to you. David, that's so good of you to come and join us. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to the brand new YouTube channel. This channel's brand new as well. It's a week old now, I think. Dinky-doo, Scottie, dinky-doo, Gary. How lovely to have you with us, I say to you. And who else have we got? Lou's just joined us. And has just joined us. Hello, David. James Cyrus has joined us. And Maria's joined us. Hi, Maria, and dinky-doo to all of you. This is amazing. On the TikTok, first thing on a Tuesday morning. What a great way to start your day. Happening, mate, says Aidan or Jaden. Jaden, I say. You've got beautiful classical script there, and it's quite difficult to read. I tell you, morning, Scottie, morning, Irene. Wonderful, lovely to have you with us. Babar, lovely to have you with us. Thank you for following. I say to you, everybody on TikTok should be following Scottie McClue. Otherwise, what are you doing on TikTok? That's the strange thing. Now, who have we got here? Mr. Callie has just joined us. Dinky-doo, Sarah has joined us, and Matthew has just joined. This is tremendous, guys. Absolutely amazing. Fantastic. And get commenting and get chatting. Let me know where you are watching from. Very, very important, I tell you. There's Bob Hope. There's a name, I tell you, to conjure with. Fantastic, Bob Hope. William says he's creepy. Are you creepy, William? Oh, well, we'll try and avoid that. I'm going bowling later today. Be yourself, Dylan. Are you going 10-pin bowling or are you going green bowling? Scottie, what are your pronouns? My pronouns are ha ha. There we are. So anytime, ha ha, you will be addressing me. Ha ha. Fantastic. I don't want to misgender you. No. No, you never want to misgender Scottie McCLUE. I tell you, I'm actually a conch. I present as a conch. So I lie on the beach and listen to the sea. But I do have to be careful. I love you all, says Carl Zugo. Thank you so much, Carl Zugo. I tell you, Irene Dinky-Doo Williams joined us. What a great name, William. I tell you that. Irene has joined us, and Alan and Robert have just joined as well. We're mobbed this morning, guys. Absolutely mobbed. That's the way of it. We like that. Now, I can give you a shout out. Make sure you follow. Tell 10 to tell 10 to tell 10 to tell 10. And let us know what's happening. Do you speak Irish? I do. Camrahau, hakama, maha, falchi, ki de mila falchi, don TikTok agus, scochach McCLUE. That wonderful. That's what it's all about. I tell you. I love this when some comments in the live were filtered. That means the wee trolls have been booted doon the Swanee. Remember, any trolling, lifetime ban immediately. So there we go. That's the way to do it. You've got to be firm these days. Pasquale says, I am single. You are single. Yes, indeed, Pasquale. I think I love Irish people, says to Sage. Good to Sage. Well, I hope you understood everything I said to you. I think we all love Irish people. So there we go. Dinky-Doo, Scottie. Hope you're well. Kareem, good morning. How lovely to have you with us early in the morning, Kareem. We're just starting off, I tell you. Thank you very much, Pasquale. There we are. You say it. You say it so much better than me. I always say. Who else have we got? Alfie's just joined us. Dinky-Doo, Alfie. And Abdul has joined us. And Emma. That is wonderful stuff. Welcome. I can tell you. Who have we got? We're on to the new YouTube channel, guys. So if you go to YouTube and put in Scottie McCLUE Talk Show and subscribe, then we can get the live streams running. Thoughts of Scottish independence? Press straight on with that with immediate effect. So Scotland should be independent by lunchtime. There's nothing to stop us. We just need the nod. I think Westminster might have to give us the nod. So there we go. So I think that, you would have to go through a legal process with a new Scotland bill. But the sooner the better from an economic point of view. I'm not political at all. So I don't look at stuff politically. I look at it. Morning from Cos. Calamera on Cos. Yasu. Yasa. So there, are you going to drive my cab? I don't have a cab license at the moment. I did once apply for one, and then a big job came up, and I didn't take it up. So maybe that was meant, I tell you. But I'm sure you'll manage, Froggy. Have you got a wooden lavatory seat and fitted carpets? Most taxi drivers splash out. I tell you, that's what it's all about. There's Maximus has joined us. Speedy's joined us. Fantastic. So lovely to have you all with us at this time in the morning. Because I know you're all rushing, as I say, into the shower with you all. Fantastic stuff. Now, who else have we got here? Peter has joined us. There's Der Atheist. You don't see many of them, I tell you, especially nowadays. But Atheist, you'll have to explain to us all what it is you don't believe in. That would be interesting. There's David's just joined us. Mark has joined us as well. And Lorna. Good morning to all you beautiful, beautiful people. Live on TikTok saying Dinky-Doo to Scottie McCLUE. What's your favourite subject to talk about? Oh, El Cordy. We talk about everything on Scottie McCLUE. but we're very respectful, you know, because we want to remain on the platform. Hi, Fae Kirkcaldy. Hi, Kirkcaldy Fae the Lang Tunic, and lovely to have you with us, Fae Kirkcaldy in Fife. Yes, Kirkcaldy smells a lot better than it used to smell, but it's not quite as rich as it was. You know, you used to smell the linoleum in Kirkcaldy. And then, of course, big mining as well. My brother Ethan is a huge fan. Can you wish him a happy 19th birthday? Ethan, Sean says happy 19th birthday, and so do all of us on the internet. There you are. Billions of people are wishing you happy birthday. That's what it's about. Here we're getting the wee froggy throat, always after a few minutes. Oh, absolutely brilliant. I tell you. Guys, have you all subscribed to the new YouTube channel? There we are. You just put in the best water in the world. It is. We're just talking about that. I tell you. Geese a carpet, the big un said. Yes, a carpet. Would you like a carpet? Yes, wonderful stuff. What colour? That's what we want to know. There's Pauline has joined us. Maria has joined us as well. Is that not beautiful? I tell you. And followed. Guys, get following. Up to the top left. Follow Scottie McCLUE. Click the plus. There should be nobody on TikTok who's not following Scottie McCLUE. I tell you, we should be up to millions by now. I think we're stuck at about 37,000 followers. Now, that should be 37 million followers. Yes. Now, what do we got here? There's Ralph Dinky Doo. I tell you. Just followed you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Steph. That is wonderful. Everybody follows Scottie McCLUE Dinky Doo. Holly's there, Dinky Doo. Holly, is this a good time, guys? Or are too many of you rushing? Yes, are you dashing? I tell you. Joined Dinky Doo, Joel Dinky Doo, MMC Bikes Dinky Doo, Holly Hayden Dinky Doo, Prof has joined us. Hello, Prof, good morning. We like to have the academics on here. What do you have planned after this live? After this live, I have planned a cup of tea. There we are. And I have planned a piece of toast. So there we are, or toast. So that's my plan. I tell you, Alcaldi, and then I start work. Oh, yes. Never a dull moment for McCLUE. That's what it's all about, I said to you. There we go. Now, who else have we got? We've got Kaya. That is just amazing. Lovely stuff, Kaya and Dinky Doo. Tuesday morning, everybody's rushing. Good morning from Beaumore in Isla, says the wonderful Ali McNeil. Good morning. Miantach, I say to you. And Mantaha, is that right? Mantava. How'd you say, Ali? And Cabrahau Hakimamaha. Falchi, Falchi, Kidamili Falchi, Don TikTok, Agus, Scotchach McCLUE. There we go. I've got a flash goal. Are you not beautiful people? Never ever have to give Scottie a thing, but there is a little goal up there, guys, if anybody's got a wee red rose or a hat and moustache. There we are, hat and moustache. Dinky doo la, beachy dinky doo la la. Lovely to have you with us, and welcome, welcome, welcome. Get sharing, guys, get following, watching the videos, joining the debates. This is big, big, big stuff. I tell you, this isn't just your normal TikTok. This is big. I can tell you that. Dinky Doo, I say to you, Ruth has just joined us. And who's that joined us? Dee and Daniel. 2 Ds, all the Ds. I tell you, Lord Hector has just got the number 2 gifter badge. Lord Hector, that's very, very generous of you to be doing the number 2 gifter badge. And check out the new YouTube channel, guys. We're live on it right now. And I want you to go and see if you can hear me and see me. It's just, you just go to YouTube and put in Scottie McCLUE Talk Show, and it'll come up telling you that we're live, and you can subscribe, because on the movie channel, the YouTube Movies channel, which is very, very popular, we've got about 49,000 subscribers. And on the new one, it's only been going a week, we've got 60 subscribers. So we've got a lot of work to do with the subscribing. So we can do with a hand, if you don't mind. That'd be brilliant. I tell you, yes, Amy. No problem at all. Damien's just joined us. Dinky-doo, Damien. Lovely to have you with us. Eddie220. Welcome, welcome, I say, to Scottie McCLUE live on TikTok. Just for you. Thank you for following, guys. Up and give us a wee follow. We do wee. We do ourselves down in Scotland by putting wee front of things. Do you fancy a wee cup of tea thing? No, I want a big cup of tea. Would you like a wee chat? No, I want a big chat. Oh, that sort of idea. What about a wee follow? No, big follow. We subscribe, big subscribe. Morning from Knightswood, says Big Neil. Big Neil, we love Knightswood. Out the Great Western Road, heading for the drum. I tell you, Knightswood, very nice part of the world, Knightswood. So there you go. Great on the bagpiping. And the ballet school and all that stuff. Very cultured. Big Neil, you've been very generous. You've just got the number 3 gifter badge. What about that? Yes, says Big Neil. Absolutely, Big Neil. Knightswood, we love it. Up the Knightswood, I say. Big up Glasgow and Knightswood. I wonder if it was originally a wood where the knights lived. I tell you. We need to look into all that, Big Neil. I'm just up, says Big Neil. Me too, Big Neil. Well, no, I was up at 6, but it takes a wee while to get ready at my age, you know. Get my face on. I tell you, I like your bonnet, Scottie. Do you like that one? We always have nice bonnets for Scottie McCLUE. Lord Hector, thank you for your wonderful generosity. Guys, if you want to pop a red rose in, there's a wee goal there. And you can pop one in. Big Neil says, I'm 41. I'm old too. 41's not old. Mind you, for Knightswood, no, I'm only teasing. No, 41, no, you've a good 60 years to go, Neil. And there's no problem with that. A lot of people living to well over 100 these days, particularly in Knightswood, I would think, because it's a nice life, you know what I mean? And that's good for people. Knightswood is good for people. Tazzy Taz, Dinky Doo. Thursday Mac, Dinky Doo. Big Neil, you're number 21 fan in the fan club and you're number 1 gifter. So somebody's been giving me the red roses. I tell you. Hi, what part of Scotland you from, says Nim? From the West Coast, Nim. Yes, indeed. Andrew's just joined us. Dinky Doo. And Sky High Drone Guy. Sky High Drone Guy. Dinky Doo, I say to you. What about, tell me this, Drone Guy. You know these so-called auditor guys that cheek up to the police? Do they do a lot of harm to the drone community by, you know, getting drone people a bad name? I'm just interested in that. Greetings from Amsterdam. Ja, Michel, come into huis. Wilt je een koppie thee hebben? Ja. I tell you, a wee bit of Dutch for you guys. A wee bit of double Dutch. Wonderful chat. Who else have we got here? David's just joined us. David, lovely to have you with us as always. And welcome. Has everybody tried out the new YouTube channel right now? All right, Scottie, who's winning this war then? Which war are we talking about? There are so many wars going on so many fronts. Do you know what I mean? And the politicians are at loggerheads with the people and all that. Lord Hector says, see you later. That's me at work, Lord Hector. Have a fabulous day at work. Israel and Iran. Well, that's a silly thing to be at, isn't it? These two. My goodness me. And I notice Big Donald is just stepping back, shaking his head. He wants to put a stop to all this silly fighting because we know it doesn't lead anywhere. You know, that's the stuff. And it's only going to end in tears because nobody actually wins a war. You know, I mean, you ask Germany in 1919, how did the war go? You ask Britain, you know, ask Germany in 1945, how did the war go? You ask Russia, how did the war go? Ask Britain, 1945, how did the war go? When religion's involved, it becomes unpredictable. Well, no, religion, groins, has never, ever, ever, ever caused a problem, you know? So that's not what it's about, although it can be made about that. I think that will happen. But no, well, it's about money always. No, it's a lack of knowledge and understanding of religion that causes the problem. So there you are. I love your black watch tartan cap. Thank you, Nim. And Dinky Doo, I say to you. There we are. Now, who else have we got here? Lots and lots of wonderful people. Guys, so lovely to have you all with us this morning. What an amazing turnout. Absolutely tremendous. We've got about another 8 minutes and then we have to dash off. But tell 10 to tell 10 to tell 10. Get on to the YouTube channel, the new one, and subscribe. We've got 60 subscribers. In fact, can somebody tell us how many subscribers we've got? If you go to YouTube and put in Scottie McCLUE Talk Show and see how many subscribers, we should have 60. For the movie channel, we've got 49,000. So that's quite good as well, I say to you. And I think on here we've got about 37,000 followers, but that should be 37 million because this is Scottie McCLUE. And it's big. Big, 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 big. Whoever has McCLUE has the market. I tell you. We need another 20 followers, guys. Everybody up to the top left, tap the plus. That's what it's about. There we go. Wheelie Ginge, Dinky Doo, Nim is followed. Johnny Boheed. Yes, can we call you Boheed, Johnny? There we are, Johnny Boheed. That's the stuff, I tell you. There's Liam and there's Danny. Christina has joined us. Welcome, welcome. Bill's just joined. Octawinal. Am I saying that right? Has just joined us as well. And Greg's Sausage has joined us. Mr. Bo, good morning. How lovely to have you with us. And a very, very warm welcome to Scottie McCLUE. Guys, we've got to go in 7 minutes. Oh, no. I've just come over from TikTok. Grunts, what do you think? How many subscribers have we got now? Have you subscribed? Is that 61? You just go to any of the videos and down to the bottom right, there's the little red YouTube and you can click that and subscribe. I tell you. Grunts has joined us on the new YouTube channel, guys. Amazing. 61. Thanks, Grunts. Are you the one of 61? Good morning from Lochgilphead, says John Kennedy, the real one. Lovely Cabrahau, Manteva, I say, to Lochgilphead. What a fine, fine part of the world. Are you in Baltalloch Street? There you are. The video quality is better on YouTube, says Grunts. Grunts, thank you for that. That is amazing. All the best from Pollock Shields. There we are. Fabulous. I think Pollock has it got a C in it or just the K? I tell you, Nim. Check that one out for me, will you? There we go. 4 minutes, guys, then we have to dash off. But just how amazing has this morning been? Incredible. We love Pollock Shields. Is that not where they have all the big hussies? The big hussies in Glasgow. Guys, can everybody subscribe to the new YouTube channel, because we want to get it built up quickly so we can do all the talk shows on it. Dash off. Yeah, we're dashing off. Yes, I live in the biggest nim. Wow, nim. A proper big Glasgow mansion. What are you up to this morning, says Gypsy Jack? I'm going to have a wee cup of tea and a wee bit of toast, Jack, because I think we've earned it, because it's just been wonderful to see everybody this morning. Huge turnout. And that's what it's all about. How many have followed? Let me see. We need 20 followers. We're too short. If I watch right now, can everybody on TikTok go up and click the plus with their finger there and follow Scottie McCLUE? I need 2 of you to do it right now, but if everybody does it, then that's fairer, and I can shout you out, you see. So I'm watching right now. Everybody up to the top left, click the plus, say I followed Scottie McCLUE. That would be amazing. Guys, you know, I've had 861 live recommendations this morning. Is that not just amazing? And we've been up for 26 minutes. Wow, thank you, follower. Wow, that worked. 2 more, please. 2 more. Yes, and then we'll let you off. We'll let you off. I think some followers are a wee bit lazy. No, non-followers are a wee bit lazy. Followers are stunningly brilliant. There we go. That's the way to tell you. Yes, indeed. More followers, please, guys. Up to the top left on your TikTok, tap the plus, and I'll shout you out from here. No problem at all. Grides, that's amazing. So you enjoyed the YouTube sounding good and looking good. That's what matters. Wow, would you look at that? 885 live recommendations. Wow. I wonder, oh, wow, another follower. Thank you, guys. So brilliant. The followers are your real quality people. They're the ones that know what they're doing. I tell you, we've got about 37,000, but it should be 37 million, because millions have seen Scottie McCLUE's TikTok videos. Wow, another brilliant follower. Genius. One more. And then we'll leave it at that. 1 more follower. Up to the top left, tap the plus. I'm watching for you. Ready? Whoa! Thank you. Isn't that amazing? 914 live recommendations. That is amazing. It's a lovely wee town in Argyll. John, we know Ardrishig when they look gilpid. My grandfather lived in Ardrishig. I spent my childhood in Ardrishig and Lochgilpit. Yes, and on a Sunday you walked into Lochgilpit for an ice cream at the cafe. And the Lochgilpit people walked into Ardrishig for an ice cream at the cafe. Is that not beautiful? I tell you, we've got 1 minute left. Hi, how's you, says Misty. Misty Dinky dear. I tell you, lol, says John. John's having a good old laugh. I'll tell you, if you ever go into Ardrishig, John, you know where the shops are? Well, there's only one side of the street. Used to be 2. Go into the wee opening between the shops, and you'll see a wee set of stone steps. That was my grandfather's. I'll tell you, that was his house. Amazing. We've got to go, guys. Oh, my goodness. More followers. That's beautiful. And more viewers. Woo! Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Who's your dues, day, Scottie? Ah, we love it. Absolutely. We're just chaffing a while. I'll tell you, wee Cindy, we're chaffing a while here. We're just doing a while. I'll tell you that. I nae bother, Queen. Now, who else have we got here? This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Guys, I don't know what I've done, but I can see really, really highlighted all the stuff. That's amazing. So you can actually get a bit... I'll tell you one thing about doing the lives. You discover stuff all the time. It's huge. I pecking, I'll tell you, Shindy. You top queen. That's what it's about. I lived there for years, up in the Swedish houses above the canal. There you go, John, no bother. Do you mind Rock Hill, just below the Swedish houses? And then you went down to the wee boatyard on the canal bank. Wonderful stuff, I tell you. These were the days. One was still a beautiful part of the world, Argyll. And you had the linnet. You'll be too young for the linnet. I'm too young for the linnet, but we used to hear all about the linnet. That was the wee boat that took you through the canal from 1861 to 1929. My uncle was the purser on her. So he joined at 16 to the linnet and was her purser, probably her last purser actually, and took the pennies for the people. The boat had arrived from Glasgow at Ardrishick. There you go. Was there ever a big pier at Lochgilpin? Did a boat ever call it Lochgilpiners? The Loch too shallow? That's what I was wondering. And then you're out to Portalach and Kilmartin. Wonderful part of the world. Beautiful, beautiful Argyll. There we go. If I'd more than one life, then I'd certainly live part of it in Argyll. I've lived in so many beautiful places. Karen's just joined us. Dinky do, Karen. Lovely to have you with us, and welcome. Guys, I can't believe this. We're a minute past 8 o'clock. So if you're going for the 8 o'clock bus, you might have missed that. But then again, you know how the buses are, I tell you. Who else have we got here? Thank you. We need more followers, guys, more followers. I feel like Dan McCLUE. Not Dan McCLUE. What was he? Dan McPhail. Dan McPhail, the engineer on the Vital Spark. It is more steam, McPhail. That was that. I tell you, more steam McPhail. Wonderful stuff. Now, who have we got here? 1,014 live recommendations. How does that work, guys? How do you do the recommendations? Tell me more. And the followers. Look at the followers. My goodness me. Guys, we want 1 million followers today. So communicate with everyone on TikTok. Say, have you followed Scottie McCLUE at Scottie McCLUE? I tell you. There's Zyke has joined us. Hi, Zyke. Fantastic. Or is it Zach? I think it's Zach. Is that right? I wonder. Now, how do you pronounce it, Oscar? How do you pronounce your second name? Is it Zach? There we are. Do tell. Let us know. I say to you, has everybody checked out the new YouTube channel? Right? This is where the talk shows are coming from. And please subscribe. We've got 61 subscribers. But we've only been going a week. So, and this show will be going up today. So everybody, if you've had a shout out, go and watch. I can't believe it. Now there we are. Zach, hi. Hi, Zach. Dinky do, I say to you. There we go. Oscar must have a friend called Zach. And, or seek. Hide and seek. I've got you now, right? 99, 100, coming ready or not? Where are they? What's happening? Says Eliana. Eliana, Dinky do, everything's happening on here. Eliana, we are so mobbed this morning. It's just been incredible. Woo! Can't believe it. And we've only been up, right, we've been up for 35 minutes exactly now. 35 minutes. And we've had 1,054 live recommendations. Is that not beautiful? So get recommendating as soon as you can. And we need another 27 followers. It's nothing. Guys, Scottie McCLUE has been live for 33 years next week. I mean, that is like mega, isn't it? 33 years of Scottie McCLUE. I tell you, the world's top talk show. Hi from Aberdeen, says Yvonne. I think you do fit like Yvonne. Foos your do's in Aberdeen this morning, Granite City. Oh, for a beautiful place. For a beautiful place. Aberdeen, eh? Ken, it's been a very miserable 30 years for you. Oh, what a shame. Well, I hope I've cheered you up. So there you are. What's your favourite part of Scotland? All of it. All of it. There we are. Yvonne says, you picking. Yeah, we're picking. I'm just picking away at the banjo. Fantastic. Now, what have we got here? Oh, eye picking. You're eye picking. Sorry. I thought you were picking, but you're picking. I'll tell you, as long as you know picking. Picking. Andrew, thank you so much for my heart me. Guys, you don't ever have to give Scottie McCLUE anything. But if somebody's feeling flush, red rose and a heart me. You've got a choice. I tell you. There we are. Hello, Faye Arbroath. We love you in Arbroath, I can tell you. Andrew sent me a red rose. Thank you, Andrew. That is so beautiful. There we are. The red roses are coming in. There we go. And Andrew, you've got the number 2 gifter. Is that not beautiful? I tell you. This is a big, big show, guys. Get following as soon as you can. We need everyone on TikTok to be following Scottie McCLUE. And Avi has just followed us. I tell you, Eva. Sorry, I beg your pardon. It's the tiny writing. And Eva's just sent a gift. Hello from Aberdeen, says Caden. Dinky do, Caden, foos your doos, fit like a day. Ken, I'll tell you, if you're watching on the YouTube, give us a thumbs up down to the bottom left. Yes, wonderful. YouTube channel, it's the new one, fit like a day, man. Caden, we're chuffing a while here, you know. I'll tell you, we're just out picking, eh? We're speaking of Doric on here for everybody who kens. That's what it's about. There we are. Eva, thank you so much, Eva Emily, for the gold. Whoa, it's wonderful. Who else have we got here? We've got Carl. Dinky do, Carl, lovely to have you with us. And Robert has followed us. Robert, thank you so much for that. That is such a lovely thing to do. Guys, 2,000 likes already. You remind me of the guy who owns the big country house in Still Game. Well, apparently I was the original inspiration for Still Game, Scottie McCLUE. DJ Smiley, foos your doos, loon. Aye, chuffing a wah, loon, chuffing a wah. That's bra. I'll tell you. So there we are. Breakfast time, Yvonne. Dinky do. I say to you, it is breakfast time. My goodness me, I can't believe the time. Do you know that we've been up for 40 minutes and it seems like 1 minute? 1 minute. We've been up for 40 minutes. I thought I'd pop up just for a couple of minutes and then you get involved, you get tickled. With all the chat going on, we get tickled. I need another 50 followers. I've had 1,139 live recommendations. 1141. How do you do a live recommendation? What do you do with that? And can we say hi to everyone who's just joined us? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Never ever scroll, never troll when Scottie McCLUE's on. Never miss a second of Scottie McCLUE, because this is TikTok's top talk show. So you don't want to be missing any of that, I tell you. 25 more followers, go up to the top left, click the plus. Right, we need 25 of you ASAP. We also need everybody to go onto YouTube and look up Scottie McCLUE Talk Show, new channel, and there's 61 subscribers. Make that 61,000 subscribers, please. You just followed Dinky there. That's 61,000 today. Make it 610,000 subscribers. Then you're talking the world's top talk show. Where in Scotland are you from? We're from the West Coast. Yes, the West Coast of Scotland. Hi, says Trish. Dinky do Trish. How lovely to have you with us. No better place than Scotland. I think so, Craig, although I've lived all over the UK and loved every second of it. I wish there was more than one of me. Nobody else does, but I wish there was more than one of me, and then I could live in different places. So I think Scotland, obviously, number one. Yorkshire. Good morning, says Sharon. Good morning, Sharon. Asilmon says, why do you talk like that? Well, why do you talk like you talk? It's just the way I've always spoken. Geese a still game line. Geese a still game line. Okay, what about Winston? After he blows everything up with the electricity and he comes out with his face all blackened and he goes, aye, that happens sometimes. We love it. What about, what would be a good line for still game? Would you like a biscuit, Jack? Good morning, my Scottie boy. I think I would do good if we were at the bar of the Klansman. And I say, what can I get you, Scottie? I say, I'll have a pint for me and for my two best friends, Jack and Victor. Nothing! Educated, Scottie, that's how you talk properly. Thank you. It's a bogus gas, man. I'm here to ransack your house. That's a lemon. That's a great line from the Stowe game when he's outside the door trying the new spy hole. They've got nothing to do, that pair, all day. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, DJ Smiley. It's just educated speech, I think. Well, it's so people can understand you worldwide. Remember, we're worldwide, so you've got to be clear in your speech. I need another 25 followers, again on top of the 28 I've just had. So there we are. I don't want to be a greedy. Guys, 1,210 live recommendations. Is that like really, really good? Tell you what you want, what you really, really want. The likes are soaring. So there we are. You might want to set a goal. Well, the likes are going bananas, but the likes goal is to beat 41,000. I don't think we'll do it in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Who else have we got? Keith, think you do. Lovely to have you with us, I tell you. I love your accent, says Brigitte. Greetings from a blushing Danish woman from Danska, Brigitte. How lovely to have you with us. I say to you, never ever blush about being Danish. Do you ever speak Scots or Gaelic? I can give you some Gaelic at Silman. I give you Kamaraha, Hakamamaha, Falchi Falchi Kida Mili Falchi Don TikTok. agus Scottiach McCLUE. There we are. There's a wee bit of Gaelic for you. If you've just joined us on the YouTube channel, welcome, welcome. Apparently, it looks great, somebody was telling us this morning. Nice. Did you like that? Did you understand that? A little bit of Dutch. Ha, come into huis. Wilt je een koppie thee hebben? Yes, ja. Bit of Dutch. Nicht Deutsch sprechen. Ich bin ein Ausländer. Nicht verstehen. Yes, I tell you. A little bit of French for you. There we are. Je regrette, mais je ne parle pas français très vite. Si tu parles lentement, peut-être je comprends. Oui. D'accord. Oui. Ça va? Oui, ça va très bien, merci. Et vous? There we are. So there you are. A little bit of French for you, a little bit of Russian. Привет. Saying good night, I say goodbye, I say до свидания. And good morning, Scottie, Ronnie, good morning, lovely to have you with us, I say to you. And Dinky Doo. And who else have we got? Little bit of Mandarin for you. Han hao, ni hao. There we are. You see, we do the lot on here. I'm not just an athlete. I'm also a black belt in karaoke, so you've got to watch yourself. What content do you do on YouTube? Well, check it out, I say. Join, Josh. Have I got it right? The script makes it difficult to read. Chi de mi falci, we scendi. Yes, come on, Josh, mate. Josh! Right, I've got it now. There we are, Josh. So there you go. Have a look at the channels. What to do, Josh, is check out Scottie McCLUE Movies, which has got about 49,000 subscribers. And then check out Scottie McCLUE Talk Show, which has got 61 subscribers. Where is the picture taken on your cap? That was at one of the radio stations. Might even say on the mic. Is it L107? There we are. Scottie McCLUE, Dinky Doo. I tell you. Now, who else have we got joining us? Tell 10 to tell 10 to tell 10 about the live on YouTube, guys. It's so important, and on TikTok. Right, I need another 21 followers. 21 followers. We've got 1,269 live recommendations. Who can tell me how you do the live recommendations? I'm very, very interested in that. 1272, has everybody just done one? Come on, tell me what you're doing, because it's fascinating. And I need, as I say, another 21 followers. ASAP. And over on the YouTube, we need as many subscribers as we can possibly get, because that is going big. When I say big, you know what I mean. I mean big. 2 billion people have heard of Scottie McCLUE worldwide. 2 billion. Now, don't get too excited, because it means that there's 8 billion people in the world ostensibly. That means 6 billion have never heard of me. So we need to change that. That should be changed. I tell you. Mr. Moneygun, Dinky Doo, lovely to have you with us. Moneygun, is that a different spelling of Monaghan? I think we should be told. Guys, we've only got a few minutes left, so let's see what we can be doing. Everybody will be dashing off to their work. Those of you who are working, and I have to dash to my work. Outer Hebrides Broadcasting Corporation, calling civilization. Good one, we Sendy. There we are. You're absolutely spot on. The lovely Gregor. What a top man he is. A super actor. Hello from Poland, Greg. Hello, I am Pan McCLUE. Pan McCLUE in Poland. Polski. Yes, lovely to have you with us. And dinky do, I say to you. Chloe's just joined us. Rye's joined us. Rye or Ray? Wee Paul's dad's just joined us. Karen's joined us. That's fantastic. Wee Paul's daddy. Ricky's joined us. Yes, indeed. And Conspiracy Heart has joined us. How lovely to have you with us. Guys, you never have to give McCLUE anything, but if you fancy a red rose, there's Rainy Bop has just given me a lovely heart me. Thank you, Rainy Bop. And thank you for all the beautiful, beautiful hearts. People going tap, tap, tappity, tap, tappity, tappity, tap. We're at 3,800 it's just gone up to. Amazing. Everybody get following, guys. If you're not following Scottie McCLUE, what are you doing with your life? You know what I mean? I say to you, everybody with a TikTok account should be following McCLUE. It's not too much to ask. 1339 live recommendations. Come on, guys. You need to tell me how you do a live recommendation. You know if you've just done it. I called your radio chat in the 90s about women HGV drivers. Loved your patter then. Dodge 123. The radio's coming back for McCLUE. Hallam FM. What a fabulous radio station. I believe it's finishing up. Is that right? Becoming something else. But there's a fabulous radio station that's just opened up in Sheffield called Sheffield and South Yorkshire Essentials. So get on to that. Sheffield and South Yorkshire Essentials. So now there's a gap appearing in the local radio market. Get on to that. Oh, brilliant, says Dodge. Dinky-doo Dodge. Yes, Hallam no longer. It's now GHR. Well, I'm sure GHR will do very, very well. But certainly, I know that Yorkshire will miss Hallam hugely. And I think if you all tune in to Sheffield and South Yorkshire Essentials, you'll get a smile. So there we are. Dinky-doo from Scottie McCLUE. Hello, Fred. How lovely to have you with us. Dinky-doo. Right, said Fred. Have you mellowed with age? Don't be ridiculous, Dodge. Mellowed with age? Why on earth would I ever mellow with age? I'm not any great age anyway. So there we are. So you're not gonna mellow if you're not any great age. Guys, we've only got about 6 minutes left. I tell you, still 21. Oh, we shouldn't be. Of course, we're 21. 21 today at Scottie McCLUE. Absolutely. Nicole, is that how you recommend? You put an at Scottie McCLUE up, live one. And everybody, right, everybody watching, guys, put up at Scottie McCLUE. And it goes live, and I'll tell you if I watch it. Top fella, says Richard. You too, Richard. Absolute top fella. Nicole has followed Scottie McCLUE. Just followed you. Thank you so much, Nicole. Everybody should follow, share the lives, watch the videos, because it's quality stuff, and there's not a lot of quality stuff around in the media these days, as we all know. There we are, 1397 live recommendations. So that's how you do it. You put at Scottie McCLUE. Right, 1400. Guys, I'm going to watch this just for a minute. I'm watching live recommendations going up. Can everybody make one? Apparently you put at Scottie McCLUE, capital S and capital M, right? And I'll see how high we can go with it, right? Now that is going up big style. Guys, this is amazing. Everybody make a live recommendation right now on the TikTok. And everybody subscribe on the YouTube. This is just incredible. Wow. Whoo! Woof! Whoo! Whoo! I've never ever seen anything like it in my life. Fantastic. Everybody on TikTok, live recommendations. I will recommend this to all the TikTokers later. Say, get live recommendations going, guys, for Scottie McCLUE. Guys, that's amazing. Thank you. And get following. Can we have another 20 followers, please? Well, 19. I'll settle for 19 followers. Yeah, so we can have 19 of you following. Right now, up to the top left, click the plus. I've followed Scottie McCLUE. Right? And if we can get 19 of you doing that, these recommendations are mind-blowing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So there we are. Ban Archie. Where's Archie? Oh, we'll give him a ban. Sorry. Knocking stuff over there. There we are. Yes, absolutely, Andy, man. These were your people. There we are. Wonderful stuff. Ban Archie. Where's Archie? Let's see Archie. What's Archie doing? What's it you do for work, Henry? I broadcast, television, radio, newspapers, education, I lecture, I teach, I do all that sort of stuff. I go on TikTok and YouTube. Guys, get yourselves onto the new YouTube channel, though. That's going to go big, you know, and it's important because we're going to be doing all the live streams on it. So make sure you are in there. Big style with everyone else, yeah? Get right onto that as soon as you can. And get on to all the following, liking, watching the videos. Guys, there's the Scottie McCLUE movie channel on YouTube. You'll get all the top movies, some of them going back to the 1930s. Because people love it, black and white British movies. Yeah, lots of colour, lots of great stuff. Some top television there for you as well. So never actually a dull moment. It's incredible. Huge presence on the net. Jim Share, Dinky Do. Scottie always talks sense. He's the man, Big G. You are the man, Big G. I tell you. Ban Archie, right? We'll get him. I'll do that, Benji. Okay, don't spam us, Benji. We've got that now. We'll have to mute you. We've seen it. We've seen it. We've seen it. Right, so no more spamming. Benji. Guys, never spam, never troll, never scroll. This is Scottie McCLUE you're watching. The one and only. The genuine article. Hashtag FLOTI. The first lord of the internet. Hey. Now, who else have we got here? Morning, Scottie. Can have some morning motivation. You certainly can, Tagmash. Up you get. Get a wee cup of something down here. Who drinks coffee? Who drinks tea? Guys, these live recommendations are mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing. I only need 19 new followers today. Wonderful. It's just been amazing. Right. We're just about out of time. Who's in the two photos behind you? That's Lord Reith the Labrador and me. And the other one's me, presented by the radio station. There it's there. Oh, I tell you. So there we go. Who else have we got now? Wee Paul's daddy has liked everything. Guys, we're going to have to push off. I'll sing you the goodbye song. Are you ready? Join in. Right, after two. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Take care, everybody, as you go. Goodbye, everybody. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. And a cheerio. Love you. Have a gorgeous day. Love being you. Beautiful thing to be. Ta-ra, lads.